Hello? So just as I have said last video, our next the program we are to create is about the restaurant order, or it's already created. We are to explain is the restaurant order management system. So we are to use here again for Python using lists and list method. So dito, this shows the list of the foods. And it was stored here. Then next, we are to use the for loop. So this one, it is to display the numbering in the menu. This one. Ito, pinapakita. Yan. So next, later I will show you why it was used at the output. Step 2 for the problem. As you can notice, there are steps in the problem. Uh, we are to do this step by step. So next, then here we need to add, or what we ought to do in here is to add and to insert. So you can see what we have inserted here is soup of the day, and what we have append or add, it is the pizza. So then what have we done? We have called yung new dish to enter yung bagong dish, this one, pizza. And then we also need to enter its price. Then we are to call this one para ma-store siya dito sa menu. Call this here append menu append. Then after adding it, so you can see after we have we have finished the step 2, add and insert, we are now, we code muna para makita yung pagbabago. Then, you have to proceed to step 3. We are to use the remove and pop. So for this, from the word itself, remove, mag-aalis. What's this specific food? It was the price. This one. And we are to remove that. Then pop. Aalisin yung huling item. Ibig sabihin ng pop. So, ibig sabihin, ano dapat matanggal? Iced tea. Next. And after removing, we will see yung pagbabago. The next one, we are to sort, and reverse. Aayusin ba? Aayusin. So, sort. It was sorted based sa price. Yan. So, sorting from lowest to highest. This was due to this one. Kaya naging na-short siya. Or na isaayos siya. And then, we'll show ano yung nangyari. The reverse. Paano to? As it's the word itself, reverse. Magbabago yung pagkakaayos. It would be reverse to una magiging highest to lowest. Yeah. It would show here based on price po. Then after that, next step, search and count. Anong gagawin dito? We are to find yung dish. Then, it would count how much po ito. Or kung higit ba siya sa 100. Like that po. So, later on, I will show you how it is, or how will this show on the output. So, dito, makita niya, wait only. So, for this one, pag hindi niya po, kumbaga, sa umpisa, or dito, gumagawa ng variable, ano sabi kong nakita, or kung makikita niya o hindi, if it to find or not. So, at the start, it was set as a false because wala pa naman siyang nakikitang item. But if we are to input, then it would start to show. That's why, dito, for this loop, we use yung for loop, ikot dito sa bawat laman ng menu. Kumbaga, i-check niya yun isa-isa. It would check the menu, item list, or stored in the menu. Check niya yun isa-isa. And it would check for this part, it would check or it would compare the name sa input ng user. So, item, name, then lower. Bakit kailangan i-lower? Para hindi naging case sensitive po. Then, for this part, pag nahanap na, papakita. Yung, kumbaga yung position. Yung kanyang index sa menu. And then, yung kanyang price, ipapakita, it will show. Then, kapag true, it means it was found. If not, then the item was not found on the menu. After niyang i-check each of the item. Okay po. Then, break means stop na ang paghahanap. But this or break para sa loop. Matapos na. And, well, again, walang nakita. So, for the next part, as you can see, this one. Dito, nibilang yung presyo, yung price. It's over 100. Ito yung nabanggit ko po kanina. So, for this one, this variable, it's used para mabilang ilang items yung higit sa 100. It's a 100. So, then, for item in menu, then again, for this loop, each of the item, it would check bawat isa. Each po, each. Then, it will check the prices of each item. Then, count equals to 1, assign value. So, for this point, kapag ito ay higit sa 100, it would add po sa bilang. Dito. Kung ilan yung each mo sa 100. Ilan yung item na higit sa 100. Or greater than 100. Okay po? Then it would show. So, step 6. Okay, step 6. So, step 6. Extend dessert. Or kumbaga, at this part, we are to create new list for dessert. So, it means meron dalawang item dito about the ice cream and cake slice. And it indicates yung kanyang name as well as the prices. So, menu extend, this is for use. It is to combine yung dessert list sa main menu list. And ito ay para ma-add siya, itong dessert doon sa main menu list. Then after that, kapag atin na siyang na-add, again, gagamitin natin to ulit para maipakita yung pangalan ng pagkain, price, and its numbering. We are to use this po. Gaya nung ginamit natin siya for this part. Sa initial or sa menu mismo part na yon. So again, we are to proceed and step 7. So for step 7, as you can notice, we created an empty list. We are to create this para dito maglalagay or dito mag-store. So kapag true, nagkakaroon ng tuloy-tuloy lang yung loop. Then, order input. Yan. As you can see, input, lalagay yung user. If order lower, kapag na-type ng tama, ito yung lalabas sa loop. However, if not, sabihin niya hindi niya nakita. That is why, para to avoid yung case sensitive, you also use din po again yung lower. And then, for item in menu, this part, again, it would scan, it would check one by one each of the menu ulit. So, if item index 0, it would check the names of the food based sa order ng user. Then, orders append, kapag if it is found, it would add po dun sa list ng items sa order ng user. Yan, that's why added to order. Found true, nakita, ibig sabihin, break, sabihin, stop na ng pagluluto. If it's not, or pag hindi nakita, it would show, sorry, the item is not available. Then, ito na yung bill summary. Bill summary, so we use yung total para dito, sa total bill ng user, dito siya masastore. Then, for item in orders, again, dito isa-isa niya lahat ng order. It would check niya yung pangalan ng item, check niya yung pangalan ng item, even yung prices as well. So, that's what we have used on this part. So it would check niya one by one. Then here, it would add the prices or the total amount of the items na siyang order ng user. Then again, lastly, we show yung user or yung total ng items ng user. Then clear, last step, step 9. So at this part, ito po ay madali lang. Kumbaga, you would just use, as in, it means literally as copy. You would create a copy of the whole menu. Then, it would clear yung laman ng original menu list. That is yung meaning ng clear po. So, then original menu after clear, call mo ulit. Then yung menu na ikinapi, papakita. Para dito ito ay makita. So, let's try para makita na natin. For it's already 12 minutes. So, this one, tinry ko na yung code. So, as you can see, ito yung initial menu, yung menu. And ito yun, yung ginamit dito for this part, for this initial, yan. Para maging masaayos, makita yung number, yung price, and yung name. Then, nag-add ako ng adobo. Then, 50, makikita nyo siya dito. So, after that, removing yung price and popping of the day, as you can see, yung price ay nanditong part, wala na siya. At, napop yung adobo. So, as I said earlier, there should be yung iced tea, yung dulo. However, we have added kasi yung adobo. And then, lowest to highest, yung pagsusort, yung may key lamp kanina. Lamp. Then, this one, kung mapapansin nyo, lowest to highest, 50 until 35, 335. Then reverse, mauna na dapat yung steak, pizza, pasta, burger, the 90 iced tea. Then, aking sinerge yung burger, nakita niya merong 3 burger. Kumbaga, nasa pangatlo siya. Yung index position niya ay nasa pangatlo. Then, yung price niya ay 120. Then, yung number ng dishes na over 100. Ito siya. Steak, pizza, pasta, and burger. Then, next, extending. Ito, yung sa dessert kanina. Yung ice cream and slice cake, na-add na sila, as you can see. So, nag-add ako into orders. Dito na yon yung step. And this one. And nakuha na ako ng order. Nag-order ako ng steak, pizza, iced tea, and naglagay ng done to stop na yung pag-order. As you can see, ito. Yung pizza, steak, and iced tea. Ang mahal, di ba po? So, 600, lumabas, sakto. Then, clear ng original menu, nawala. Then, copied yung menu, dito na sa lahat. And that is all po. So, thank you for watching.